Alligator on the grill. Hey y'all, welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Well, it's a little hotter than the other day, but we'll manage. So, I was thinking, we got this gator shake here by Uncle Steve. What would it taste like on some gator meat? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do some gator tacos to see what it tastes like. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got myself here some wild caught gator. Picked it up in my local freezer section. It's from Louisiana, where I'm from. Went ahead and let it defrost in the fridge for a day or so. We're going to go ahead and now open it up and get started seasoning it. Nice beautiful fillet here. I'm going to go ahead and take off my gloves so I can go ahead and touch the seasoning bottle. Nice coating of Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. It's got black pepper, garlic, citric acid, go ahead now and flip it over. Go ahead and pat it in a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and let it sit here now and let all that flavors go ahead and meld into the piece of meat while we get our grill set up, so that way we can go ahead and start cooking this. Now this cooks up real fast, so we'll be ready to go in no time. Alright, the grill is up to temp now. Gonna go ahead and put a little oil on the grill. Oh, listen to that sizzle. We're going to let it cook on this side for a couple minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and flip it. Alright, time to flip. Oh, they're looking beautiful. Oh yeah, Gator with Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. Alright, time to pull them off the grill. They smell fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, time to go ahead and start building our tacos. Alright, we're going to go ahead and warm our tortillas up real quick. There we go. Alright, we're done on that. Now it's time to build the tacos. Alright, now like what I said before, this is all about tasting the Gator Shake on the gator meat. I want to see what flavor, which I know it's going to be a good one, does it impart on the gator meat. So we're not going crazy with all the extra sauces or hot sauce or anything else of that nature. We're just going to build a basic taco here, but you can do whatever you want, put whatever other stuff you want on there that you want to put on there. We're just going to go with lettuce, tomato, and cheese. That's it. There we go. So now it's going to be time for the taste test. All right, time for the taste test. Nice citrus punch from the citric acid in it. Definitely takes the black pepper. Definitely like the Gator shake on that Gator. Definitely cuts through the gaminess of it. Overall, very impressed. Got to pick you up some of that Gator shake from Uncle Steve. If you like what I'm doing here, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Follow me on Instagram. Same handle as I have on here, RNEWBBQ. Thank you. Have a good day.